Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your PayPal account using Resolution Center steps, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are signed in, scroll down to the bottom of the home page. Locate and click on the Help option in the footer section. In the Help Center, find the search bar at the top. Type Resolution Center in the search bar and press Enter. Click on the link labeled Resolution Center in the search results. You will be redirected to the Resolution Center page. Here, you will see various options related to account issues. Select Report a problem or Help with a limitation depending on your issue. If your account is limited, follow the prompts to view the reasons for the limitation. Carefully read the information provided regarding your account status. Next, click on Continue to start the resolution process. Follow the guided steps to provide necessary information. Prepare any required documents for verification, such as identification or recent statements. Upload the documents as instructed in the Resolution Center. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, submit your request for review. You will receive an email confirmation of your submission. Monitor your email regularly for updates regarding your account status. If further action is required, follow any additional instructions provided in the email. Be patient, as the resolution process may take several days. If you don't hear back in a timely manner, you can return to the Resolution Center for further assistance. Check back periodically for updates on your case within the Resolution Center. Once your issue has been resolved, you will receive a notification from PayPal. Log back into your PayPal account to ensure that the limitations have been lifted. If you encounter any further problems, repeat the process or contact PayPal customer support directly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.